Hello, so I'm going to be showing you how to change the color scheme or theme of your IntelliJ work environment and download new themes from the internet today. So to do this, we're going to need to go to the website plugins.jetbrains.com, and then we go to whatever editor you're using. I'm using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, so I'm going to hit that. Although these downloads should work for any IntelliJ-based IDE. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom like I just did, and then go to the category section, and then at the bottom left it says Editor Color Schemes right here. And I'm going to click on that, and you can see there's already some themes here. There's a bunch of them. If you like one that shows up here, then you can download that. But one of my personal favorites is the Rainglow theme, which you can search for, and then it shows up on the left side here. And this is actually a collection of color schemes, and it has a bunch of different types of themes and colors in it. So you can choose the ones that you like, and you can change it up every day if you want. It doesn't really matter. And I'll also show you how to delete the ones that you don't want to use after. So you can hit Get up here, and then you click on the latest version, which is 1.5.2 is the time of recording. And then you're going to go and click this download update button with this arrow and bar here. And then I'm going to hit keep. And then that downloads like that. Just leave that alone for now. I mean, if you want, you can go to your downloads folder and then put that on your you can put that on your desktop because it'll make the next step a little bit easier. So then when you go back into IntelliJ, you go up to the top left where it says File, then go to Settings, then go to your editor settings here, expand that, then go to color scheme settings here, and then click on General. And then this has the pre-installed three themes of Darkula, Default, and High Contrast, and you can see what it would look like in this example window here. So I'm going to go back to Darkula, and then to import the things that we just downloaded, you're going to hit the settings icon and then import scheme, IntelliJ IDEA color scheme. And then since I put it on my desktop, it should show up under users and desktop here for me. And then it's going to show up like this. So just navigate to wherever you downloaded it to and double click on that. Then, okay, you can see all of these themes that have been downloaded because of this Rainglow theme pack, and you can see you can trace all of these back to being from Rainglow by their parentheses in the side. So I'm going to import all of these because you don't know how they look like yet, what they look like yet. So to do that, instead of importing each and every single one by clicking on it and hitting import, I'm going to click on the top one and then shift click on the bottom one, select all of them, then hit import here. And then it's going to give us a bunch of pop-ups saying that all of these themes have been added. And then once that goes away, we can hit this drop down and you can see there's a bunch of themes. So this is where your other themes would show up if you downloaded them outside of the Rainbow color pack, and you just need to follow the same steps, navigate to that download. So let's say I want to test out this Keen theme color scheme. So it's going to show like this, so you can figure out which one you like by doing that. And then you just hit apply when you find one you like, and then hit OK to get rid of this window. And this is your new color scheme right there. And there's a bunch of different color schemes. I don't know if this is the one that I like the best, but yeah, for sure there's a lot of room to experiment, and there's a lot of them out there that aren't exactly from JetBrains, but that's a good starting point to find some if you have no idea what you want to get. The other thing I wanted to show you was how to delete themes. So I already have this open, so this is where all of them downloaded to when by IntelliJ doing whatever it did to that file. So to get here, you go to whatever user you are, and then you're gonna hit this ideal C thing, which is basically IntelliJ's folder. Then you go to config, then you go to colors, and all of these are here. Say that I don't like, all of these. I can delete them. I'm not going to because I like them, but let's say I only use these and I don't need any of these, then yeah, this is where you come to delete that. You go to your users, your user, then go to this folder, config, colors, and it's right there. And then you can delete them from here. And if you restart IntelliJ after you do that, those themes will disappear. So, I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.